Here we go, guys. Hoops here with a quick video. We're gonna go and test out my Equinox. I just got a brand new Equinox 600. So we're down here at an old abandoned house. So we're gonna see if we can find anything. And yeah, hopefully we do. So fingers crossed. Anyway, we'll roll the intro and I'll give you a tour of the place when I get back. And yeah, we'll see you shortly. Right, we're back. So before we head out and have a bit of a look around, I'm in this old abandoned house. It's actually pretty much all fallen down, just pretty old. But I'm guessing it's probably maybe the 1960s, I believe. Maybe, yeah, I reckon it'll be that age. See, they've left in a hurry because there's still toilet paper. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I'll take you through the house. What's left of it anyway. It's one big, massive room. You got the old Bremer fire, the fire hot water system. So you used to light a little fire under those, and but it did have power, so it can't be too old. But yeah, it's an old world map. It's pretty knackered, but yeah. And then the old kitchen. There's nothing to it, but you know, old stove and old veranda out the front there and the side. Some really old fixtures. I don't know what that is up there. Some kind of shade, maybe, or cake thing. I don't know. But yeah, it's a really strange design house. This is the front, the back, sorry. But then you got this room. And I'll step across it, but you can see I've obviously had something happen here because I am standing in amongst where the living room, I guess, once used to be. Got an old barn style door on the front there. That's like old school. So I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, we'll go and have a look in this little room here. This is probably the tiniest room I've ever seen. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it's absolutely tiny. It's right next to the fireplace, maybe, I don't know. There's no door on it, there's power. An old carpet on the top, old window frames. That's probably about it, to be honest. 175, yeah, I don't know. Got all wooden frames there. Old fireplace. Yeah. Same deal. I think this is just another little tiny room. Which I'll just poke the camera in there instead of having to try and climb over, but there's not much to it. And that's all the rooms I can see, unless this was divided up into rooms somehow. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's pretty old. Well, you know, reasonably old. Anyway, we'll go and see if we can find some cool stuff out in the grounds. Alright, there we go. It's our first coin at this old home site, and it's a 1 cent piece. Yeah, well, it's still a coin. Yep. Right, we got a tone here with the Equinox, and I'll give you a look at what it was coming up as. 16 or 17, so it's going to be probably a bullet or maybe a 1 cent, 2 cent piece. There we go. Shotgun shell. That's Pretty cool. Different. So different with this flat piece on the front here. Oh well, we'll keep going. Alright, so I've just dug another one and it's out of the hole somewhere over here. Oh, there we go. You wouldn't believe it. It's another 1 cent piece. That's 2. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Yep. 2 cents it's given me so far. Oh, we'll keep going. Alright, so I am just in the same hole as the last one, but I found another coin. And again, another 1 cent piece. I'll clean all these up later and show you all 3 of them, but that's the 3rd one. Nothing exciting, but it's still cool fun finding coins. Right, so I've dug one out of there, one out of there. Now I've just pulled out another one. I've lost it now. There it is. Oh, lost it again. There it is. It's another 1 cent piece. Oh, so that's now my 4th coin here, and all of them being 1 cent pieces. And I'm pretty sure there's still something in the hole here. So it's a lot more to go to catch up to Michael. Yeah, so Michael's found a $2 coin, so he's already $1.96 in front of me. But anyway, we'll see if we can make up for it. We're in the same hole, and my metal pinpointer's still giving me this, and I haven't bought a new one yet, but I will one day. But over here we got something in the actual hole. I reckon it would be possibly another 1 cent piece, or maybe not. Oh, get out of town. It's not a 1 cent piece this time, it's a 10 cent piece. I'm catching up to you, Michael. How do you feel scared? No. I've got $1.86 to go and I'll be there. Anyway. I'm gonna find another $2 coin in a minute. Yeah, find another $2 and it'd be smashing me. Anyway, I'm running the Equinox, as you'll see here, the 600, and Michael's got my AT Garrett Gold. So we're going to try and see the difference. So far he's beaten me, especially in the gold, but I'm finding older coins, so we'll see how we go. Alright, this one little spot seems to be a coin spill, guys. So I've got another coin just here, so I don't know how many that is now. A 10 cent and maybe 3 or 4 1 cents, but we've got another one just there, and I haven't seen it, but it looks like it. Yep, it's a 20 cent piece. Oh well, and that's a 1968 20 cent piece. So yep, $1.66 to go to catch Michael. Slowly making my way there. Alright, this hole seems to be a winner, even though it's only crappy coins, but 1 cent, 10 cents, 20 cents. I was hoping to find some pre-Commonwealth sort of stuff or pre-decimal, but anyway, I've got another one. So I think that's what, five coins out of this one hole. The hole's not even half a meter big, so I'll switch it around and show you this one. Where are we? I'll get it in the sunlight. And right there. So it is a 5 center. No, it's still fun. I don't know, every time I find a coin it's exciting, even if it is a crappy coin. Alright, last find for the day. We moved and around the corner a little bit and managed to find this, which is, I don't know if it's diamonds or not. I highly doubt it, because that's a lot of diamonds if that was the case. But it's just a little mushroomy looking earring, I'd say. But that's pretty cool. That's probably, to be honest, that's probably the best find for the day, considering I found 20s and a whole bunch of 1s, so it's not the best of finds, but hey, that's better than nothing. And like I said, I get a thrill out of finding anything in the ground, whether it's old or new. It's just knowing that someone lost it once before, and it's I've found it, managed to find it. So anyway guys, that's the video. We went to check out the old homestead that we found, the abandoned homestead, and I wanted to test out the Equinox 600. So it did pretty well, I think. And I've been back over a few sites where I've been before with my AT Gold, and I've still found a few little things with the Equinox. And Michael went over a couple of my holes that I had found things in, and his wasn't, well, my other one, the gold wasn't going off, but it was going off with the Equinox. So I think they're a little bit better, which is what I was hoping for. So hopefully now I can start getting right into it and find some more military items. Anyway, that's the video for today guys. It was a quick metal detecting video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, stay moist.